Plans have enough spirit to transform our limited vision. This spirit obtained from plans of inspired late Professor Dr. A. Abraham, a great visionary and institution builder, to establish the Department of Botany, University of Kerala at Trivandrum in the year 1959, and later it shifted to Karivattam on 1969. The department became one of the leading institutions for plant cytological studies in India, and it served as a haven for the world's most ambitious scholars and leaders. While the contributions have been tremendous in understanding the fundamentals of cytogenetics and cytotaxonomy, the department has also kept pace with the changing national priorities. An international reputation for excellence has gained in discovering the highest diploid chromosome number of 1260 in Ophioglossum reticulatum by Professor Dr. C. A. Nainan and his team of researchers. Fueled by optimism, ingenuity, and a sense of responsibility, the Department of Botany have a long established reputation in having a galaxy of eminent professors and heads of the department, like Dr. D. A. Abraham, Dr. C. A. Nainan, Dr. P. M. Matthew, Dr. Susan Abraham, Dr. P. I. Kuriyachan, Dr. B. Vijayavalli, Dr. G. M. Nair, Dr. Omanakumari N., Dr. Asha Lata S. Nair, Dr. P. M. Radhamani, and Dr. Suhra B. V. S. Department is also fortunate to have eminent teachers like Dr. A. N. Nambudiri, Dr. K. George, Dr. K. Ramachandran, Dr. P. Gopinathan Nair, Dr. K. V. Bhavanandan, Dr. T. A. Abraham, Dr. J. Christopher, Dr. Philomena Kuriyachan, and Dr. J. Stephen. The department has been delivering research-led student education with a strong suite of postgraduate programs in genetics and plant breeding and biodiversity conservation. The department also offers Master of Philosophy in Advanced Botany, which is an amalgamation of classical and applied aspects in plant science and empowers the researchers with domain-specific capabilities and methodological competencies. Now, we have a dynamic research environment for plant research in the areas of biosystematics, biotechnology, phytochemistry, crop improvement, and plant reproductive biology, based on the expertise extended by the vibrant and experienced faculty members such as Dr. T. S. Swapna, Dr. A. Gangaprasad, Dr. E. A. Cyril, Dr. Shiburaj, Dr. Bindu R. Nair, and Dr. Rajalakshmi. The department has to its credit more than 250 doctoral degree holders working in reputed research labs across the country and abroad. Well-established laboratories that has gained momentum due to the support by KCST, DST, and UGC in the form of SAP, COSIST, FIST, and SAT programs. Teaching and research is supported by excellent laboratories with central instrumentation facility and a well-stocked library housing over 15,000 books along with 15 national as well as international journals. Department Herbarium is another unique facility with a collection of 6,000 angiosperm specimens from Western Ghats along with gymnosperms and pteridophytes. It is our privilege to have herbarium sheets that are identified by Dr. J. S. Gamble himself. A fully organized botanical garden, which includes medicinal plants, garden for rare endangered plants, ornamental garden and greenhouses are the major attractions in addition to the experimental garden for researchers. A garden for Andaman Nicobar plants and systematic garden are on the way of establishment. The botanical garden, besides serving as the repository of the source material for botanical studies, is also geared to cater to the dire needs of conserving and enriching plant diversity through the exchange of plant and seeds. A computer lab with InflipNet facilities also provided for deep literature search. The department is thus undergoing a major refurbishment to develop its teaching and research capabilities. The department publishes an international journal of plant science named Abrahamia in the fond memory of late Professor Dr. A. Abraham. The department is fortunate to receive the unstinted support and cooperation from our former teachers, alumni association and non-teaching staff. We believe that the combined efforts taken by all the stakeholders will continue to fulfill our dreams to take the department to still higher levels of excellence, as was the vision of our predecessors.